Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. Students, in the last session we have learned many fill in the blanks. In that we have learned how the day is formed, how many hours are there in one day, then how the week is formed, then how the months are formed, how is the year. Like this way we have seen. That all we are going to write in the last session of this lesson. Today we are going to see some fill in the blanks depending on what we have learned in the last session. But before that we are going to learn how to write a date using a calendar. So you have to open page number 129. On page number 129, there is writing date using a calendar. You have to take a pencil in your hand. See students, what you have to do, March 3 is a way of writing the date of the first Friday in the month of March in the year 2017. So we'll see 2017's calendar. In that month, March month we have to see, and what we have to see, 3rd March. So here is March month and 3rd March is in the month in the day of Friday. Okay, 3rd March is on Friday. So how to write it? We'll read the date of the 3rd Sunday in the month of January in 2017. So how to write it? The date of 3rd Sunday in the month of January. So see, 2017's calendar, January 3rd Sunday. It's a 3rd Sunday. So Sunday is here, 1st, 2nd and 3rd. 3rd Sunday means 15 January 2017. We have to write it. 15 January 2017. So like this way we have to write. Now open page number 130. On page number 130 there is exercise 10B. In exercise 10B, question 1 is fill in the blanks. Now, first one we'll see how many days are there in a week. So, in 1 week there are 7 days. You can write in number, otherwise you can write in the words also. Next one, which day or days of the week is holiday at school? We are having holiday on Sunday. So only one day we are having holiday. So write here Sunday. Some schools are giving holidays on Saturday and Sunday also. So you have to write here Sunday. Next one, third one, name the 4th day of the week. 4th day of the week, as we know, Monday is the first day of the week. So see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is the 4th day. So you have to write here Thursday. Next one, Monday comes just after. Means before Monday, which day is there? Sunday. So write Sunday. Next one, Tuesday comes between dash and dash. So Tuesday before there is Monday and after Tuesday there is Wednesday. Wednesday. You have to learn all the spelling. So many students are making mistake while writing the spelling of Wednesday, Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday. So learn it properly. Next one, The first day of the week is, first day you are knowing, it's a Monday. And the last day of the week is Sunday. Sunday is the last day. We are telling it weekend day. If yesterday was Friday, today is. As we are knowing, so if yesterday means today's one day before, if it is Friday, then today is Saturday. So write Saturday. Next one. How many days are there in September? As we know, you have to make a feast, and on this feast you can count January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. September is in valley. September means 30 days. So you have to write here 30 days. Next one. Which day comes just before Friday? So Friday before there comes, yes, Thursday. Thursday. Next one, question number 2 is, look at the calendar of 2017 and fill in the blanks. So now we are going to see 2017's calendar, but in the exam any 1 or 2 months will come and you have to write the answers depending on that months. So we'll see. This is 2017's calendar, and in this calendar we are going to see which date is asked here or which day is asked. First question is the first month of the year. No need to see the calendar. We are knowing the first month of the year, that is January. So write down. Next one. The month of February has dash days. So we have seen month of February there are 28 or 29 days. So you can write here 28 or 29 days. If there is ordinary year, we are writing 28 days in the month of February. And if it is leap year, then there are 29 days in the month of February. Next one. 31st March falls on a. Now we have to see the calendar. This is our calendar. 31st March is on which day? Friday. So here we'll write Friday. 31st March falls on a Friday. Next one. The month of April ends on a. Okay, so we'll see the month of April. In the month of April, it ends on Sunday. So 30 April ends on Sunday. Next, the month of May begins. April after, there comes May. After April, April ends on Sunday. Then May starts on Monday. So right here, Monday. Next one, 15th August falls on. We have to see August month. No, this is the month of August. See here 15 is on Tuesday. So here you have to write Tuesday. The month of August comes between July and dash. So August before, there comes July. July after August. August after, there comes September. Next, the month of April comes just after. So April month you can see after April comes after which month? March. So write here March. March after there comes April. Now how many Mondays are there in the month of July? So we are going to see the calendar. In the month of July, how many Mondays are there? Here is Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many Mondays are there? 5. Can write the number. The date on the second Wednesday in the month of April. See the calendar, April month. Which day we have to see? Wednesday, second Wednesday. So this is a April. This is first Wednesday and this is second Wednesday. It is 12th of April. So 12 April. April month we are saying, so only if you can write only 12 also. The date on the third Saturday in the month of December. Third Saturday of December. So see, here is December and third Saturday, first, second and third. It is on 16. So you can write here 16. Date on the third Saturday in the month of December is 16. So students, this we have learned how to read the calendar. In the next session we are going to learn little bit different things, and we are going to write some fill in the blanks at the end of this lesson. Till the next session, bye bye students.